Hello, my little friends. Are you ready for a super fun adventure? I'm so excited to sing and dance with you today. We're going to learn about staying healthy and strong. Can you do it with me? Let's start with yummy foods. Eating lots of colorful fruits and veggies is like giving your body a big, happy hug. Crunchy carrots and juicy apples are my favorites. And don't forget whole grains like yummy oatmeal. They're like a cozy blanket for your tummy. Now let's get our bodies moving. Jumping, running, and playing outside for at least 60 minutes every day is like giving your body a fun party. It makes you strong and helps you grow big and tall. Can you show me your favorite way to move? Great job! Let's try some more fun exercises. Can you hop like a bunny? How about dancing like a silly monkey? Remember, moving your body is super duper important for staying healthy and happy. It's time for a special song about taking care of our bodies. Check up, time to see the doctor. They'll help us stay healthy, that's why we go. Visiting the doctor regularly is like giving your body a high five. They make sure everything is working just right. And guess what? Learning about our bodies is fun too. We can all be health heroes by knowing how to take care of ourselves. Let's learn together about healthy foods and exercise. Can you name a healthy food? Great job. Now let's sing our healthy habits song one more time and remember to share what we learned with our family and friends.